So Valerie, what was your biggest lesson for investors in 2025?
Gains were based on fundamentals and not just speculations. We saw interest rates coming down, inflation was steady, and discipline paid off for investors that were patient enough.
I like especially that last point on discipline paying off for investors, especially considering how short-term investors tend to be when approaching the equity markets. I think one of the biggest take-home last year was, yes, it's true as you point out, fundamentals played a huge role, but also there were market corrections that took effect, especially after close to 5-year discounting period. We saw some of our best blue chips rise back to the occasion, like Safaricom, went back to 28s, 29s, as per your valuation note, by the way. That was a key highlight. EABL crossing over 250 shilling mark. Just to mention but a few. So I think we are starting to see a correction, and investors are starting to recognize true value that was until then unrecognized.
Why does the playbook emphasize earnings over euphoria in equities?
Great. So as I pointed out, a lot of the market activity last year was driven by market correction and also some excitement, so to say. If you look at the top gainer, which was, say, Uchumi, gaining over 400% a single year, without necessarily robust fundamentals to support that. That is very descriptive of a euphoric market behavior rather than a market that is following fundamentals. So in 2026, we are advising investors to prioritize fundamentals over the euphoria or the excitement that's driving the bull run in the market. So we are calling to investors to be more selective in the equities they go for and ask deeper questions, especially on assumptions regarding revenue growth, market share, and also the debt assumptions that are driving a majority of these listed counters. So Valerie, there's usually this debate about active investing versus passive investing. I don't know where you lie. Do you believe active investing is better than passive investing? And if so, why?
I believe active investing will be rewarding. Investors should be more selective on stocks and embrace diversification and ensure the stocks they're ready to invest in are highly liquid as well.
Partner with Capital A Investment Bank to build a legacy that lasts.